Alright Hacksters, I'm going through the process with the Azure Sphere. I'm going to follow this tutorial. This is so that your Sphere can ping the server, and that's what helps make you eligible for prizes. So first up, I'm going to download and unzip the contest registration application. This is where a few different pieces of information will be collected, and those will persist from day to day. I was able to launch the application, put in my info, and at first the device ID, device MAC, and device IP were not populating because I was using a charging-only cable, and it would be the same if your device were not connected at all. Once I swapped out the cable, and once I hit the read device button in the registration application, this little window popped up showing the device ID, which I've blacked out here, and also the Wi-Fi MAC address, and then finally it popped up a little thing that said URL response OK, and it populated all that information in the fields up here, which I've also blocked out. So once you've hit that send to server button, you should be able to see it pop up on the heat map. Go to the URL avnet.me/azspherekitmap. If you do not see your device on the map, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected properly. Now it kind of looks like there's some stiff competition, but really it's not a competition. You're eligible to win prizes no matter what anyone else is doing if you ping the server for 15 to 30 days. All you have to do is push that button once per day, and that's all it takes. Of course, we'd love to see something a little bit more creative, but we wanted to make it super easy to get started and get excited, so go forth and hack.